Yo, what is up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing great. My name is Dylan. I'm 18 years old. I'm from the Bay Area, and I'm going to quickly run over um, my trading strategy and the two trades which I took that helped me pass my FMS funding challenge. And yeah, let's get into it. I don't want to waste you guys' time, so I'm going to keep it short and simple today, baby. All right, beautiful. Okay, so first things first, keep things simple. That's number one. You always want to keep things simple. Don't get so caught up on the smart money concepts, ICT strategies, trying to take all these different SMAs, EMAs, all these different kind of indicators, which you don't need. Okay, you want to keep things simple, keep your chart clean, read your charts. And number two is you're going to have to understand candlesticks and patterns. Okay. Sorry, I'm very bad at typing. Okay, so understand candlesticks and patterns. That's going to be number two. Number three is you're going to also always have to be looking at the higher time frames. Personally, I like to look at the daily and the 4 hour time frames, and then I like to go down to the lower time frames to enter on my trades. And that's basically it. Study, keep it simple, find a profitable strategy. For me, it's the break and retest strategy, which works for me. And yeah, it's going to take time. You're not going to become a profitable trader overnight, okay? It's going to take years. It's going to take long nights. It's going to take you having to analyze and look at the markets and understand that this shit's not a fucking game. It's just a fucking business. You got to take it serious and you have to journal all your single trades, okay? So, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so what I was looking at is I saw we were in this lower time, lower I'm sorry, we were in this downtrend right here. Okay, I saw price getting this crazy bullish engulfing candle. I unfortunately was not in this trade. I was being patient. I was waiting for my trade. However, if price would have closed above right here, I would be looking for buys. However, price came up here, sellers were in control, and they brought price down and closed right below the level of resistance. Okay. So this tells me in my mind, sellers have a say in the market. Be wary, be patient, look for the right opportunity. Okay. So now I dumb it down to the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to mark up certain levels and areas that I want to keep my eye on. I see there's a lot of candlestick movement happening here, a lot of candlestick movement happening here. Those are levels that I want to keep my eye on because I understand that there is a lot of orders there. Okay. There's a lot of motion going on there. Keep that in mind. Okay. It's not going to easily break through there. It might meet a little bit of support, might go back up, might go back down, meet a little bit of support, might go back up, might go back down. Okay. So those are areas that I'm going to look at. Boom, I'm being patient. What I would love to see price do is I want to see price come back down here, maybe tap back up, um, come back down here, close here, tap here, close here. That would be a beautiful trade in my opinion. Okay. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait. Boom, beautiful bearish engulfing candle. To start it off, and I'm going to go down to the 30-minute and I'm going to look for an entry. Ideally, I would be getting in on a trade right here for a quick 25 to 30 pips, which I did. And this is exactly what happened. Price closed bearish here. Being patient, being patient. I'm in on this trade. Boom, got in that profit. What I did right here was I brought stops to break even after I saw that price beautifully went here, tapped back here, and then it tanked right here. That was it for the day. Brought stops to break even. I took out around 80% of my position here. What I should have done was I should have trailed my stops, but I just did it at break even. Price eventually came back up to stop me out. But that was in the bag. That was a 2-lot trade, which I entered in, which those pay the bills, baby. All you really need is 15 to 20 pips and you're gonna be straight. Okay. So after that trade, then I was looking for something, my next entry. Okay. I was being patient, took the day off, and I was waiting patiently. Okay, now in the 4 hour, I see price at a crazy bullish engulfing candle back to this area of resistance. Let's see what it did. Okay, well, let's see how it reacts. Okay, beautiful. It reacted beautifully. Price came back here. Price came down here. Now, what I'm looking for is price to break through all this clutter, get out of this area right here, break through all this clutter, maybe get in on a retest and ride this motherfucker down, because I understand that this is a huge, 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 huge liquidity right here, man. Look at this beautiful, beautiful candle that needs to be filled. Okay, so this was the next trade I was waiting for. Sometimes I enter on the retest. Other times, if I see candle just close completely bearish, I don't even think about it. I just get in because I don't want to wait. I don't want to be waiting for the retest and then miss out on the trade. If I see it, I take it. I understand my strategy. I understand what works. All right. So beautiful. What I want to see is how price is reacting to this area right here. You see all these candles right here, all these candlesticks right here, and then price closed bearish right below here. I want to see how price is going to react, bouncing off here. If it can close down here, then I'm getting in on that trade, baby. So let's see what price did. Okay. Again, patience plays, patient plays. Thank God we did not get on that trade. Otherwise, we would have got fucked. Okay, now price is starting to close below. That's when I enter my kill zones. Okay, this tells me when volatility enters the market. Right now, we're in New York. New York is gray, yellow is London, and red is Asian session. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Again, being patient. I need to see a clean close below here for me to think about entering the trade. Patience. Okay, beautiful. Price didn't exactly close where I wanted to, but what I did was I said, when price breaks through this last candle, I'm going to get in on this trade. And I'm going to write it down for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, this is beautiful candlestick confirmation right here. This beautiful close down here. Price could not break above here, and price closed in here. Honestly, I would get in on this trade. 100,000%, I would get in on this trade. And when I look to the right, I just see this huge void ready for me to profit, baby, straight up. So check it out. Let's see what happens. Again, I'm being patient. I'm really waiting for price to break through down here for me to answer. Okay. Being patient. Okay, now we are in London. All right. This is where the volatility starts to kick in. So now I'm really, really paying attention and I'm being close. Okay, and now I'm in right here. We had this beautiful candle closure down here. I'm 100% in on this trade. And just like that. Just like that. Just like that. That was basically the trade I took. This one was around 60, 70 pips. It allowed me to pass my challenge. And it's really just about keeping things simple, guys. Okay. Keep things simple, master a strategy, be patient, and the profits will come. I'm signing out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Much more to come. Let me know if you guys like what you saw. I know this was not the best, but I'm trying to get out there. And yeah, I really want to help everybody, and because I believe anybody can do this. I never would have thought I'd be able to pass a challenge. I never would have thought that I'd be able to be doing what I'm doing. Okay, guys, and I believe anybody can do it as long as you put your mind to it. So with that being said, thank you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.